Understanding mortgage law, administrative remedy, and jurisdictional frameworks. 1. Foundational knowledge, interconnection of legal disciplines. Understanding mortgage enforcement, remedies, and legal misapplications requires mastery across 4 domains: tax law, trust law, commercial law, and accounting. When litigants engage courts without recognizing the operational jurisdiction, whether public, commercial, or private, common law, they often enter contracts by default, granting jurisdiction and waiving rights. Footnote: This section introduces the interdependence of legal disciplines necessary to navigate financial disputes and courts. Two. Jurisdictional distinction, public versus private authority. U.S. courts function under bifurcated authority. The public side operates under commercial law, the private side operates under common law. Making a special appearance preserves common law rights. Entering court through standard pleadings can imply a commercial contract, handing the court jurisdiction. Footnote: This section distinguishes how entering under the wrong jurisdiction affects litigant control and remedies. Three. Mortgage foreclosure, confessed judgment and investment contracts. Foreclosures often invoke power of sale clauses that function as confessed judgments. These are enforceable only under specific statutory conditions such as California Civil Code Section 1131 to 1134. Furthermore, mortgages are typically structured as investment contracts governed by pooling and servicing agreements, PSAs, not conventional loans. Footnote: This section highlights the contractual nature of mortgages and how they bypass traditional judicial scrutiny using administrative clauses. Four. Statute of frauds, challenging undisclosed third-party liability. Borrowers are held liable on contracts to which they were not properly disclosed as parties, violating the statute of frauds, Cal. Civ. Code Section 1624, UCC Section 2201. Unless timely raised, such violations are waived. The borrower becomes a third-party obligor to an investment trust that never formally included them as a signatory. Footnote: This section explores the improper inclusion of borrowers in contracts governed by investor interests and securitization. Five. Securitization and non-negotiable instruments. Promissory notes with maturity dates exceeding 9 months are securities under 15 U.S.C. Section 78(c)(10). They are non-negotiable when governed by extrinsic documents, such as adjustable rate riders or deeds of trust, invalidating their treatment under UCC Article 3. These instruments fall under Article 8 and General Contract Law. Footnote: This section clarifies that mortgage instruments are legally treated as securities and thus governed by different UCC provisions. Six. Claims and defenses, recoupment and proprietary rights. UCC Section 3305 provides for recoupment as a counterclaim arising from the same transaction. UCC Section 3306 and Diaresis 3306 affirm borrowers' proprietary rights in the promissory note and its proceeds, allowing for rescission of endorsement. Failure to assert such claims results in waiver and administrative default. Footnote: This section explains how UCC recognized rights remain dormant if not affirmatively asserted through legal filing.